Where's those songs? Where's those songs? There's no people singing with me.
So, do yourself.
I think they're
Hey, Mom, stop it. Stop it.
Which number is the other?
9, I think.
11.
11, yeah.
Maggie did the top one. It really didn't get me into the words barely.
It did. Whatever.
Man, you sing the same words, whip your hair, whatever, around 1,000
I
times.
know. So I didn't need the words.
I think it froze.
Yeah. No, you just closed it.
Hey.
Love the way you lie. Who sings that?
Rihanna and
You sing a
Eminem.
girl song?
Yeah.
It has Eminem.
On the first
page
of our story, the
future seems so bright, and this thing turned out so evil.
I don't
Don't
know
know
why
why
I'm still surprised. Even angels have their wicked schemes.
My voice is like, that's
Some
not the
new extremes.
Yeah, she can
Will
sing.
always be my hero. Even though you lost your mind. Just gonna stand there.
and watch me burn without a right.
Because I like the way it hurts. Just gonna stand there and hear me cry. That's alright because I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie. Oh, I love the way you lie.
No, come on. This song's ruined.
The fight in this tug. Keep singing.
No. Hey.